Hello everyone, thank you for watching my video and welcome to Green Mangoes. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please help us out and hit that button. We are trying to grow our channel and share our knowledge and experience of gardening here in Las Vegas. So please help us out and hit that subscribe button. And for today, I will upload a video of my greenhouse that I bought from Amazon. It's been a while since as I say, since summer that I haven't uploaded any videos of the garden, and I've been doing a lot of renovation and planting new trees. Perhaps next spring I will make a video showing a complete garden after some renovation. But I do grow tropical trees such as mangoes, longans, and June plum, dragon fruit, and those trees do not like cold weather. They'll die when it gets under 40 degrees or so. Right now in Las Vegas, it gets down to low 30s at night. So with them being in a pot, they won't be able to survive the winter. So they're still fairly young trees. So I already moved into a greenhouse and protected them. When they do get a little bit bigger, mature in a couple of years, I will plant some of them in grounds. But for the most part, they do need protection for the winter, and I'm babying them right now. I did buy the greenhouse from Amazon, a fairly decent price. The greenhouse dimension is 15 by 7 feet tall, and they're large enough for me to put some of the container grown tropical trees in there. The greenhouse is nothing that great. I mean, decent enough for me to help the trees, protect them for the winter months. And I've done some modification to make them sturdy. The wind here gets very strong. So for those of you who consider this option, buying the greenhouse from Amazon, they're very affordable. Make sure that you follow some of the steps that I will mention in a bit to make sure they're sturdy, they can sustain the wind here in Las Vegas or anywhere. Make sure that you can help them last a little bit longer than they're supposed to. So follow me. I will give you a tour of my greenhouse and some of the things I've done and what trees I've gotten in there. So here it is. This greenhouse right now staying on top of my pavers, and it's pretty long, 15 feet long and 7 feet tall, about 7 feet wide. And as you can see, I have some of my citrus here. These are pretty big, they're pretty mature. They've been outside in the winters for the last few winters, so they're fine. They've been acclimated to the weather here in Las Vegas. But for greenhouse, you always consider opening up the windows, at least a couple of them during the day, like this, because they trap moisture inside, and if you don't let any of the moisture escape, give oxygen, a lot of mold and bad things could happen to your plants. So this door here, they do roll up. First, let me talk about the greenhouse a little bit. This greenhouse, these pipes here are not the sturdiest thing in the world, but and if you stick them to the ground, they should be fine. But since they're in pavers, I went to Home Depot and bought 4x4s and used brackets and secure them. As you can see here, let me focus a little bit. Secure them and use this half moon brackets and secure all the pipes to the 4x4. And this is really heavy, heavy enough to sustain the wind here, so it doesn't get lifted up. But as you can see, the kit doesn't come with this cross bracket, right? And when I installed this they did include this cross bracket here on the long side, but they didn't include the side. So when I install this cross bracket here like this, it get really sturdy. So make sure you got make a frame underneath and screw them in, and then add some cross bracket, and that will help them quite a bit. Very sturdy. It sustained 30-40 miles wind in Las Vegas. Pretty good. So first of all, I can show you my Desert Rose collection. It's my Desert Rose collection. And I have my Longan here, basil, and guava. Underneath here I have Vietnamese corianders. It's kind of crowded in here, so you can see all the tropical plants I have in here. More guavas, of course, and avocado, dragon fruit, Cherimoya. My mango trees in there. I mean, that's a not sugar apple, star apple. You get the idea. So I get maybe 20 potted plants in here. Some of them 25 gallons, some of them 7 gallons. And that's wax Jambu right there. I have probably 5 guava trees in here. Let me talk about the heating solution a little bit. There's a cheaper option where I do compost. Somehow this got in here. This plastic bag shouldn't be in there. This is my compost bin. And what happened is when they do break down, they do create a lot of heat, some heat, so it helps heat up the greenhouse naturally a little bit. But my second heating option is this little thing here I bought from Amazon. I mean, you can go out and buy something $200, but we don't have crazy winter here where we have snow, so something like this will keep this above 40 degrees, and that's sufficient enough for me. And they do kick in. I mean, I do set the temperature so somewhere above 40, below 40 to 50 degrees. This thing kick in and keep this thing pretty warm at night. This greenhouse get a lot of sunlight during the day, so I haven't had the need to invest in lights to keep this greenhouse. I mean, I do come in here during the daytime and it gets quite a bit of light. But yeah, that's it. Nothing too fancy. I know that this can be set up as a permanent solution, but I don't have room for it. Or I mean, I can put this away and put it up for the winter months and keep my plants happy, stay strong. As you can see here, some of my desert rose, I prune them back so that way they can grow. I mean, they can focus on the caudex for the winter months, and I grow up and have branch ramification for the growing season. Please protect your plants and make sure they stay happy. Obviously, I mean, last year I had this guava tree outside. It wasn't even the greenhouse or anything. It survived fine, but we have a pretty mild winter last year. I'm not gonna gamble on it. I have room, so I'll put them here anyway. I do try to toughen up these plants and get them acclimated to a little bit of cold weather. Here in Las Vegas, I don't have problem with the heat at all. I do build some microclimates and they stay pretty happy. The only concern is the winter months, and put a little bit of effort in, and hopefully in the next few years or so it will be rewarding for me. Thank you for watching, and I'll make some more videos and upload, but for now this is the greenhouse for the winters. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Please subscribe if you haven't already.